Well guys, welcome back to Build It Up. So today what we're going to do, we're back on the Beamer, kinda. I'm going to change these indicator strips out. So I got nice sweeping ones, and just because, why not? I got some nice cool smoked ones for you. So they're going to go because I think it looks really cool. But while we've got the caps off, we might as well change them to something else. But to do this, you're going to need a T10 Torx bit. Stick that in my pocket. Now, the kit itself comes with one of these trim tools, but they look a little bit flimsy, so I'm not going to use them. Get yourself a trim tool. I think these are called Bojo tools. I think they're like 5-10 quid on Amazon, eBay, something like that. So not expensive. So we're going to use them. Now, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you before and after, and I think it's going to be worth it. So stick around. Right, okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, get your window open. Will come clear later on. And you want to tilt your wing mirror, your mirror glass, all the way up so you can get underneath. Now that's the scary bit. You can take the caps off without taking the glass out, but to take the indicators off, it's impossible. Be really careful with this, guys, because you don't want to break them. All right, cool. Wish me luck. So, like I was saying, I've straightened the wing mirror up. I've moved it up so you can get to the bottom. Now, this is probably the scariest part of the whole job. Now, remember, I've not done this before, so we're learning together. But basically what happens is there's a ring in the middle that's got 4 clips on it, and we need to detach them. So, wish me luck, guys. Make sure you don't drop it. But guys, if I get this out without breaking it, I think that earns a subscribe. There's one. There we go. So, spin this around. I don't know if you see it. So there's 4 clips. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. They connect on here. Now, the reason we open the window, one for it helps me film it for you guys, but the other one, I can lean that on there and I don't have to disconnect anything. So that kind of helps me out. That can live over there. Don't want to disconnect them because obviously they're the heated part. As you can see, if I can get it round, we've got the heated elements on these. So these are the heated ones. Don't think they're over expensive, probably about 15, 16, maybe 20 quid, but still don't want to break them. Now, let me move the camera. Right, okay, so to get the cap off, you've got a clip here, here, and here. That's all what's holding the cap on. And then we've got to remove these 3 screws just here. We'll worry about that in a minute. Cool, let's do that then. Cool, so we've got to press these clips in, push them in. Might need to grab a screwdriver actually. Yes, so we can get in here because we've got to squeeze them, give them a push.
High above the rolling hills stands a rock of legends old. Jump off rock where sorrow stills, a tale of love that...
It's really tight in here because the motor's in the way. There's 2. And the last one should come off quite nicely. There we go. So, as you can see, we've got a cap off. Alright, cool. Let me go grab you, put you around the front so you can see what's going on here. So I've got my little helper here. So, 3 clips that are holding on are these ones here. So we've got one there, and one there. Now, you move out of the way, bud. You guys stand over there. So these go through these holes here. So we've got one here, and one here. Now we've got the cap off, we're going to have to, we're going to take the indicator off. So, 1 bolt here, and let me grab the camera and move you around. There's 3 on the other side. Okay, not the best angle, guys, but I've got to get you in some way. So, there's a screw in this corner. I'm going to do that one. I'll explain why I'm undoing these in a minute. To be fair, this one I'm doing now is probably the most important one.
Oh, jump off rock, jump, feel so grand. Running all to this promise.
So, screws just here. And therefore, we'll take that one out next. So, I've got to separate the bottom part out because there's a clip here. But there's also, remember that screw right in this corner we took out? It's because there's a locator pin right in this corner. So, I've been told you've got to go up slightly and rotate, and now that comes in, comes down. There we go. So that comes out here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to lift this out. We're going to pop it off that locator spring, and then there's a little clip just here that goes into these ones here. So it's got to take the here's a little clip just here. It should just pop out. Okay, so here's the new ones. They're nice and cool. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug this back in. I'll flip it in here so get out of the way. Get back in. But let's test them to make sure they all work before we start putting things back together. How cool is that? So okay, this bit's a little bit fiddly because there's not a lot of room. Gotta go in that clip that's there, it's got to go over that lip there. Go over there. In we go, and then we push that over the locator spring we were on about earlier. Give you a better view. So that pin goes through that hole. Right now, we can do the reverse of what we did do. Okay, the mirror glass goes back on. And I've got carbon up the fibre. Okay, it's ABS plastic, but the reason is because the proper carbon fibre ones are about 150 pounds, probably about 100 pounds more than these. And being a wing mirror, there's a good chance they're going to get hit. And I think if someone smashed my carbon fibre wing mirror, I think I would actually cry. So I'm going to use these plastic ones. They're off Amazon. They're not badly priced, so I'm going to use them on this. And we've got to be nice and careful. So I've got to put it back in them clips, nice and gently. Make sure they are on nice and tight, because if you don't get them right, they will fall off. But how's that look, guys? Comment down below what looks better, the white ones or the chrome or the carbon fibre. I like the carbon fibre. Right, cool. Holy moly, how amazing does that look? Such a big difference compared to the originals. So glad I did it. Like I was saying earlier, not very expensive, these ones. These are the plastic ones. The carbon fibre ones are best part of 100 to 200 pounds. But this one, whole thing, indicators and the caps for both sides, I think came to around 60 pounds. So really, really nice. Give you a quick before and after so you can see the difference. Should be around. From the Cherokee made in Tragic Fall. And we're back. So, like I said, all done. Such an easy job. I've never done this before and it went really well for me. So please, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. See you on the next one. Really appreciate you guys. We are out.